Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by gathering essentials: your PAN, a valid ID, and a compliant digital photo. Start on the official NSDL or UDITSL site because they process changes directly. Once logged in, select Update Photo or Correction. This routes you to the specific form. Make sure your email and mobile are current so you receive the ARN. Proceed now to the form. Do not skip the product selection step because the wrong option delays verification and resubmission. Once the form is filled, upload the photo and matching identity document. This ensures automated checks pass. You should use the portal crop tool to align your face and confirm the 3.5 cm size so biometric rules are met. After previewing the generated PDF, inspect legibility and text alignment. Automated OCR must read name and PAN correctly. Next, choose Payment, Debit Card, Net Banking, or UPI, because payment triggers processing and stamps your application. Submit the application and immediately save the acknowledgement PDF and ARN. This is your tracking key. You'll get status updates by email and SMS, and processing usually completes in 7 to 15 days. Once dispatched, the updated PAN card arrives by post. If you selected ePAN, you'll get a download link. If an issue occurs, open the rejection note, correct the stated problem, often photo size or background, and resubmit quickly to avoid further delay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.